In this problem, we've got a city planner who apparently wants to know how much water is going to be used in a certain amount of time. We want an equation for that. So let's take the information we're given here, which is a certain community uses 3 megaliters of water in 5 days. And we're going to turn that into an equation that'll tell us how much water is used in 5 plus d days. Okay, so we'll maybe project this forward so we can know how much water is going to be used next month. Why don't we start with this? I'm going to say rate is equal to volume divided by time. And if you think about what rate is, that's something like gallons per minute. Okay, obviously we're dealing with a lot more than gallons, but that would be an example. 5 gallons of water divided by half an hour, right? That would be how fast I'm using water at. Well, in this example, it's a little bigger than that. I've got megaliters, which is a lot of liters. Those are millions of liters. So I'm going to say my rate, R, equals, volume is 3 megaliters, and that's divided by days, so 3 over 5. And if you want units, you can say megaliters per day, okay? But it's not really necessary to put that on here. So if that's my rate, then let's turn this into a volume, right? How much water did the community use in 5 plus d days? Well, think about this equation up top. Let's go right here. I'm going to rewrite that equation, multiply each side by time, and you get this. Rate times time equals volume. So if I want to know the community's volume of water usage in a certain amount of time, we just plug these things in. Let's take rate, which we've calculated as 3/5, times the time, which is given to us as 5 plus d days, and that's going to be the volume that I'm looking for. So if you remember how to multiply, how to distribute multiplication over addition, 3/5 times 5 is 3, and 3/5 times d is just 3/5 d. So here's my equation for the amount of volume this community used. 3 plus 3d over 5. Do we have that here? Yeah, there we are. Right there.